Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to download an application called Screencastify. This application works on any computer that you can get or any computer that you are using right now. You only need to download Google Chrome first. So you search for Google Chrome if you do not have it. After you download Google Chrome, you need to make sure that you sign into a Gmail account. So first I'm going to sign into a Google account that I have. Now that I am signed in already, you will search over here for Screencastify. And you will add it to Google Chrome. It's an extension, so it opens over here in the store, and then you click on Add to Google Chrome. You click Add Extension. After it downloads, an icon will show over here, which means that the Screencastify was added to your Google Chrome as an extension. So you are going to click right here, and then you need to sign in with the Google account that you have. When it gives you this message, you have to make sure that these are ticked so that it allows the camera and the microphone and the drawing and annotation.